everyone, how are you doing today? I welcome you. In today's video, I'm going to share a very simple but powerful meditation. This meditation helps ground you, bring your masculine and feminine energies into harmony. Last but not least, free your mind from all the chaos. So join me. Closing your eyes, bringing your awareness to your sit bones, grounding into the earth element. Calling yourself here for this sacred moment. Allowing the breath to flow through you. Taking a couple deep breaths. Inhale. And now I invite you to bring the palms together, to feel the palms press into one another. A sacred touch of your solar energy, your masculine energy coming down through the right arm, and your feminine energy, your lunar energy coming through the left arm. As these energies come through the hands, we bring our awareness to that touch of the palms. We begin to deeper harmony within our being. And as we gently press against the heart center, we activate our deeper heart wisdom. I invite you now to remain here with me for 5 minutes, continuing to bring your awareness back to your breath, back to the sacred touch of your palms as you bring harmony into your being. Thoughts come, feelings, any negativity, just imagine that it drops into the crystalline core of the earth, transforming into the highest healing love. And bringing your awareness back to the breath, back to the sacred touch of your palms. Inviting all the facial muscles to relax as this inner harmony begins to flow through your entire being. You are love. And now opening your eyes gently, bringing your awareness again to your sit bones. When you're ready, releasing the hands, bringing them to the knees, giving the legs a little massage, calling yourself back to our 3D reality. Give yourself a moment. You can even state your name. Make sure you're showing up here on planet Earth. Remember, when we jumble the letters of Earth, we get heart. Allow yourself to have a sacred moment throughout your day when you need it to come back to your heart. Thank you for joining me. Love and blessings. Om peace.